So now we can see this all other videos, so you can remove it by right click on it. Okay, by right click and remove it. So, and I change the color. If you open it, so it will also show the names. If I, for example, if I go to this, so you can see it. And if I change the, okay, so you can see it, this color I prefer. Okay, so it will be show the different rocks of different variation. Now what I do, I want to locate the area. For example, if I work in this area, for in this my latitude longitude value, so firstly I will be copy it and paste in my Google Earth. Whenever I paste it, so okay, so let's see, 60 is north. Okay, so I will be remove this 30. So now it will be zoom this area. Okay, so you can see it, it will be zoomed this area. So this is my study area. So what you will be do, you want to right click it. Okay, just wait, direction. Okay, just wait, if I remove the comma, search. Okay, now okay, so right click and save to my place, and you can right click on it and save place as. And for example, if I go to my work, map work, and this is my Google Earth data, Google Earth data. So you can save it, and by going to ArcGIS, go to view, go to panel, and no, go to your like analysis. This, and this is the KML2 layer, KML2 layer. So Google Earth data will be exported. For example, if I input I input the KML layer from desktop map, and oh, just wait a minute, if I refresh it. Okay, so now it's coming. So okay, just wait a minute, and it will be automatically output. If you change the output, it will be also output. And environment, I think same environment, so run it, so it will be automatically locate your data. Okay, so you can see it, this point is now visible, and you can change your point easily. So next video will be do more precisely by how to start this area, this study area.